Today is March 24th, 2016. One, well, one okay trade, and then a couple. Well, actually, I'll give all three trades today a solid okay. Maybe like a B minus, I guess. So, VTAE was shorted at 645 into this candle right here. It pulled hard, bounced a little bit, and then faded all day, and then I covered at 620s, kind of right in here, mainly because I goofed up and did not see that there was an offering at 6. I could have covered it at low sixes here, but I was like, man, this thing, it's up big. It could really eat shit here and pull hard. But I didn't realize that there was an offering at 6. So, that kind of puts in a floor. So once I saw that, I basically covered right away, which, okay, I think that's a decent idea. Now, it did grind back down to 580s. So didn't do what I expected. I mean, I really thought 6 would be the floor. So, yes, could I have got a lot more out of it? Possibly, but at the same time, I mean, it's just at 6 all day right now. I mean, right now it's 5996, 5996. So that's going to be the floor. I mean, this thing's off the list for me. But, I took 20 cents a share. Not terrible on a kind of slow day. The other one was JCP. I hate trading real stocks, but I had been watching this for a few days to look for this breakdown under 11 and then under 1090. So you see right here, kind of midday, it puts in the top at 1090 again. That was support going back a while back. I can go to the daily, I guess, and show that here. Let's go to the daily here. So you can see 1090 is kind of the level where it's going to pull back to the low 10s. So that was my thought there. Now, the bitch is, it's of course a real stock. It's a real company. It's not the kind of stock that's going to move fast and hard. So, I mean, I covered for minus 6 cents into this, into this little perk. Probably here, no, here. But, so it is what it is. Nothing great. But I traded my plan. It didn't work out. I shorted at 1080. Again, with a 3-to-1 risk-to-reward idea. My thought was I'd stop at 1090 with my reward under 1050s. It touched that 1050 level this morning. And, whoops, let me get to the one day. So it hit that 1050 level this morning, and I thought that maybe it could go through that. It didn't. It bounced. So, I covered for a small loss. It is what it is. Right here is that 1050 level that I thought it could take out. So, small loss there, manageable, part of trading. NQ is basically the exact same thing. This is, a junky Chinese stock that typically pops and fades. I shorted at this 470, yeah, right here. Kind of just looked like it had been double topping in that 470, high 470, 480 range. Thought I could get a fade in the close. It didn't. It came back. SPY was strong at the time, so I covered again for a small loss. So net negative on the day, but these were all stocks that I had planned to trade. I traded them the way I planned on trading them. Things just didn't work out. So biggest lesson is just stuff like JCP, it should just be an ignore. VTAE, I should have known the news. And NQ, pre-market, I was thinking 5 for an entry, and I just kind of got anxious watching it all day. So, it's amazing. Yeah, yawn, how just staring at stuff like NQ and JCP all day will just wear you down. So no positions overnight. Holiday tomorrow. We'll look to reset on Monday. Ideally, NQ, pushes 5. Doubt it will, but so another flat day. This week has kind of been like that.